Hello, I am Erica Trejo,
I'm Brooklyn Shepherd.
And I'm Quentin Spear.
and we did experiment 4, double displacement. First, let's take a look at our balanced chemical equation. For our equation, we had 2 sodium hydroxide plus nickel chloride yields 2 sodium chloride and nickel hydroxide. And according to our solubility rules, nickel hydroxide will form a solid because hydroxides tend to be insoluble in water. Then we will have sodium chloride, which will be aqueous because according to our solubility rules, chlorides tend to be soluble. Now, our experiment was a double displacement because one component of each reactant is exchanged to form 2 different and distinct products. And now on to our experiment.
For this experiment, we're going to need to start by taking 2 50 milliliter beakers from the container shelf, which is located on the far left, and 1 beaker, and there's another one. Next, we'll need 50 milliliters of sodium hydroxide, which is located on the material shelf in the center here, and here's the solution that we need. And in order to pour the amount, we need to drag it over here to the beaker and then enter the amount. For this solution, we will need 15. And next, we will need to add 6 milliliters of nickel chloride solution, which is also on the material shelf. And that's right here, into the second beaker. Click, drag, and enter 6 milliliters.
As you can see, the nickel chloride has a green color and the sodium hydroxide has a gray color. And now when you mix the solution for the reaction to occur, you will pour all of the sodium hydroxide into the nickel chloride. And then the products produced, there is a solid nickel hydroxide, which is produced with a green hue, surrounded by sodium chloride in an aqueous solution.
And here's a closer look and to our reaction. And now that we're done, we can clean up our workbench by dragging all the containers to the recycling bin. And thus concludes our experiment. Thank you for watching.